Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to tell you how to use two accounts on single WhatsApp as we do on Facebook or Instagram. After watching this video, you don't need to use WhatsApp Business or other extensions. You can use the second account on the same WhatsApp. You are using your first account. Let's start the video. Open your WhatsApp, then click on three dots at the right upper corner and open Settings. Here open Accounts tab, and then tap on the second last option, Add Account, and then press on plus icon. Now tap on Agree to Terms and Conditions and put phone number of your second WhatsApp account. Now the second account is logged into your WhatsApp application. If you want to switch to your first account, then click three dots and select the last option Switch Account, and here is the first account. It is really useful feature WhatsApp added in the recent update. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one.